Perform the indicated operations. 9t cubed minus 4t squared plus 2t plus 2 minus the quantity 9t cubed plus 8t squared minus 3t minus 6. Here we have like terms lined up vertically, which we can make use of while subtracting in order to combine like terms. We're subtracting, so we're first going to rewrite this as addition of the opposite. We have 9t cubed minus 4t squared plus 2t plus 2. And since we're subtracting, we're adding negative 9t cubed minus 8t squared plus 3t plus 6. Now we add 9t cubed plus negative 9t cubed is 0. Negative 4t squared plus negative 8t squared is minus 12t squared. 2t plus 3t is plus 5t, and 2 plus 6 is plus 8. So performing the subtraction on these polynomials results in negative 12t squared plus 5t plus 8.